Welcome to Prime. Are you riding dirty? Why? Prime Car Wash details.
For the carpet shampoo, what we do is we pre-treat it with a degreaser, and then we deep scrub all of the carpets, and then we extract out as much of the moisture as we can, leaving your carpets looking perfect.
The seats are cleaned with a mild grade leather cleaner that we use to remove all stains, oil, and grease out from the seats. The seats are then dressed with a high grade dressing and UV protectant applied by hand.
A hard surface cleaning is a deep clean into your plastics. We scrub it down, wipe it down, and blow it out. And then after, we add a high-grade, low-shine DDC, which is a dressing, to your plastics.
We use a high-grade wax that we apply with a pneumatic hand buffer, and we take off by hand. It leaves your clear coat shining and protected.
Stop riding dirty. Shine with Prime.